In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run company meetings in Asana, exactly how we do it at Self-Publishing School. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable way to spin up a meetings project using Asana's built-in AI, so your agendas, action items, and follow-ups live in one organized place instead of scattered across docs and messages. Start by heading to your Asana home. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for your company and that you're on the account with the right permissions. If you use the desktop app, this works the same way. Browser or app is fine. From home, you've got quick access to your recent work, but we're going straight to the left sidebar where your navigation lives. Open the projects area on the left side. This is your hub for structured work, where recurring processes like weekly company meetings belong. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover to expand it. If you have many spaces, use search to confirm you're in the right place before continuing. Click New Project. This creates a fresh container for all meeting-related tasks, sections, and views. If you don't see the button, you may need project creation permissions from your admin. Don't worry about templates right now. We'll let Asana's AI set up the initial scaffolding that we'll refine later. On the right side, click Create with AI. This helps you generate a starting structure based on a natural language prompt. The AI typically proposes sections, tasks, and sometimes timelines you can tailor after it builds. It's a fast way to avoid a blank page and ensure consistency from week to week. In the prompt field, type Run Company Meetings in Asana. Exactly how we do it at Self-Publishing School. Keep it clear and outcome focused. For best results, add concise context in your phrasing. Things like the meeting cadence, who attends, whether you want agenda sections, owners, and a space for decisions and follow-ups. The clearer your intent, the closer the AI's first pass will be to your ideal workflow, saving you cleanup later. Now, wait for it to load. You'll see a brief spinner while Asana drafts your project. Load time varies based on connection and organization size. When it finishes, you'll land on a draft project with proposed sections and tasks you can review and refine. If it takes longer than expected, give it a moment. A quick page refresh after checking your connection usually resolves delays. That's the entire setup flow. Home, projects, new project, create with AI, enter your prompt, and let it build. In a follow-up, we'll fine-tune sections, assign owners, and add recurring agendas and action items. For now, you've got the framework ready to power consistent, effective company meetings in Asana.